Buds, we have over 70 years of combined mechanical experience, and all of our technicians share the same core values, bringing hard work, collaboration, honestly together, which really creates excellent workmanship and a really positive place to help develop the next generation of master technicians. At Buds, we believe that learning and development was more ongoing. That means technicians participate in quarterly training programs offered by Subaru Canada, with again the goal in mind of becoming a Subaru Master Technician. The Buds Group also offers monthly meetings, which are actually hosted by myself, where we like to cover any recalls, new bulletins, or trending problems to make sure everybody in the shop is on the same page. So our technicians are equipped with state-of-the-art software and tools to record video or take pictures to help explain findings that can at times be difficult to communicate. And the feedback from our customers in this regard has been overwhelmingly positive. It really helps them make informed decisions, so everybody in the end is happy. We also provide rental cars, shuttle service, and an account with Uber to minimize our customers' inconvenience, helping them return to their daily tasks as quickly as possible. 2023 was a milestone for Subaru. We launched our first electric car, the Solterra, which is actually behind me over here. The Buds Group has really taken significant measures to make sure that we're ready for the high demand. We have 2 high-speed level 3 chargers outside, and we have a level 2 charger inside the shop, which is integrated into our designated EV bay. We also have 3 EV Subaru certified technicians, with the goal in mind to have everybody else in the shop certified, just so we can service the demand for hybrid and electric cars in the future.